Come along, don't miss a thing. Every road's an adventure waiting. Cowboy Jojo's Adventures, let's go!
Just outside Melbourne is a secret time capsule that most people drive past. Mont De Lancey is an incredible 1880s pioneer homestead built entirely by hand, from a stonemason's dream to a thriving dairy farm. This place is packed with living history, working blacksmiths and forgotten stories. Today we are stepping back in time to explore it all. Good afternoon. It's a beautiful sunny day and we like to welcome you to Mont De Lancey, and it's located in the Yarra Valley, Wandin North.
We are here to visit an historic homestead. This homestead was built in 1886 by Henry Sebire for his wife Martha and their 4 children. 4 generations of the Sebires actually lived in this property, and there is a cafe here which offers, it says morning tea, Jojo, but I'm here for afternoon tea. The morning is well and truly gone, and you can have lunch here as well.
The Sebire family migrated to Australia in 1850.
My name is Henry Sebire, and my wife Martha and I would like to welcome you to our home.
Join us, and perhaps you would like a devonshire after the tour.
And they came from Guernsey. So we are 42 k's from Melbourne. We're out here to explore this lovely historic cottage. So we'd like you to come along and join us, and let's check it out. In 1867, Henry and his family settled in Wandin North, where he leased 80 acres of Crown land. They felled trees and cleared the land before building their first home. Being a stonemason, Henry, with the local labourers, made bricks using clay quarried from the dam. Mont De Lancey became the first brick house built in the district.
Who's got the key? We'll see if it fits the lock.
While you're waiting, the stained glass on either side is original.
For generations, the property operated as a successful fruit orchard and dairy farm, known as Wandin Hygienic Dairy. It is said that kitchens were built separately from the house due to fire risk, noise of clanging pots and prep work, and wealthy landowners preferred to hide manual labour from guests. So on the property there's a blacksmith. So let's walk in and let's check out what they're doing. Can't help myself. There's a bell behind me. Let's go and ring it. The Church of England, St. Mary's, was built in 1925. The church was given to Mont De Lancey and moved in its present site in 1993. The milking shed was constructed in 1927. The dairy was run by Thomas and his son Sebire until 1946. Today it holds the Two Peas Cafe. After finishing your wander around the property, step inside the Two Peas Cafe for an absolute huge scone. These scones are absolutely massive. So whilst you're here at Mont De Lancey, don't forget to pop in to the Two Peas Cafe. We had lovely afternoon tea with a huge scone. It's absolutely delicious. And now we are almost full and about to check out the museum. In 1993, the historic homestead was donated to a non-profit community trust and is managed by the Wandin and District Historical Museum Society. We've come to our end of the journey and a walk around the property and an afternoon tea, which we've enjoyed very much. Great little place to visit. A little bit of history of the local area.
This key goes to the house. This key goes to the church. This key goes to the wide door of the house. And this key goes to the padlock of the reinstated kitchen, which is adjacent to the house.
So when you come along, you can do a self-tour and check out the place, check out the history, the blacksmith shop, the museum, have an afternoon tea or lunch.
We had the best of scones. They were gigantic.
And thank you for coming along. I think that's about all. Definitely worth visiting.
Thank you for coming with us, Jenny.
We shall see you on the next adventure. Thanks,
Bye for
folks.
now. See you on the next adventure.
Bye.